Bobi meme o unoje awagari amewa rotebie ikure Bobi meme o unoje awagari amewa rotebie Bobi meme o unoje awagari amewa rotebie Ikpore o oyimeme okunoje amagari ame wa woro tebie oyimeme okunoje amagari ame wa woro tebie oyimeme okunoje amagari ame wa woro tebie ogu agwa miwa ugwaswebi jo ohun oge jamo gwata amage nwomo woro tebie Bobi meme okunoje amagari ame wa woro tebie Una good afternoon, my people. I want quickly drop this message. They don't attack my viewers, so I know they see viewers again. So I go find as I go take call people, may they help me release them. I don't know what I do now. I can't hijack my followers. So anytime they do video, my followers they say they know they see them again. I don't do na anything when I go they hijack my followers. It not good though. This one they do me so it not good because I don't do na anything. I bet me we quickly go to the message because now work I did. This message go to one of our beautiful sister. Whether na presenter or whether na market they sell for Facebook or I don't know. Una know say me will be Ileledo talk show iye boy one. I know they agree make person insult person children. I know they agree make the barren woman or barren man. I know they agree make they swear for pikin. That three things I don't like them. So this our beautiful sister. I want to give you this short message. Very short one. Very short one. Abemona help me share this video. They don't attack my followers them. I know they fit get them again. Even if I don't do video finish, all of them go they call me say they know they see you again. I don't know what they do. I go call person, make the person help me release as I talk just now. So that my sister, why I want speak English because I know they like to speak English for my video. I want speak this English maybe for here, maybe this message go reach you. If it reach you, not come and call insult me. I beg you in the name of God. Now advice now I want give you. If you like, you take. If you not like, not take. My sister, this live video where we they do. For me, for my own side, I take them as I just take them. Hey, my love, good afternoon, my sister. Susie, you are welcome. My auntie Mebe, you are welcome. You are welcome to the show. You are welcome in Jesus' name. So this live video when we they do, me I think say we they take out the entertain people. We be entertain and we they entertain you people. Although we dey fight, if we not fight that fight, wetin una go enjoy for inside? Wetin una go gain? Una not go gain anything. Now this fight, now una take dey enjoy am. Even when me go dey read that BD now, una not dey come because una dey like where fight dey, so that make una dey enjoy am. So my people, I no want make this social media come talk to. I want kill am. He want die. So sister, I want give you this message. Next time, when you dream of person, call the person privately. Tell the person, say, sister, no verse or brother, no verse for this message when I want give you. See the kind dream when I dream, I dey fear. I know say no be person when they dream for dream see na the thing dey happen for a body o. Some dream dey dey like that. But see as I take dream, I dey fear. I beg, make this fight when you and your friend dey fight, make it end like that. I beg, una forgive each other. Then you go call the other side again, you go talk the same thing. For you to come outside of live video, carry two baby rubber, tie them together. You say na Monica and Lolo, na so they take tie them. Sister, I beg, if na you tie them, make you release them, I beg. Because two of them, no one will want me die. They be presenter where they make people they happy for live video. These two people, they are the tough, they be the tough live video presenter, Lolo and Monica. My sister, you yourself, that's your dream. Let her lead you to where una tie them, una go release them fast. I beg you in the name of God. The way when you take tie that thing that day, when I see him yesterday, the day before yesterday, they provoke me. Even though you want to do example, now you to carry two persons together, they make sure their name, they tie them for, they say now so they hang them. And my sister, now so you be. Before you bring this, if you be live video presenter, they say, you know the top person matter. You know the top person matter. But you know the top person matter. You they tie two persons for baby rubber. I don't know what they call them. You tie two of them together. You say, now so they tie Lolo and Monica. They tie them, they can't hang them. Now you tie them. If now you, I beg you in the name of God, may you lose them. Because this fight self, it don't kuku tire all of us. And they like how all of una they come out one by one because they confess. Now some people say they confess. We start, you go they confess. I beg my sister, next time, now advice I want to give you. If you come out come insult me, you not go like me. But I want to tell you the truth. You not go see who go tell you this thing. If na lie, make you call your mother. If you call her finish, you will come play this my video, give her. Maybe not the same thing your mother go tell you. Monica and Lolo, they fight. Would you fair hear everything as it starts? No one, anybody wish her make it die. Then you can't comot their precious children, their golden children, their prince and princess when they get for children. You can't say you sit there for burial ground. My sister, go bring them, come back fast before bad thing go begin dey happen to you. The bad thing go happen to you, you not go die. Oh, bad thing be say everybody they carry video now, they do video for your head. You not go like that one a bad thing, my dear. I beg you in the name of God. Lolo not get pikin when they die. Lie. That 3 children when God give them, all of them go, Lolo go live to gain those children in Jesus' name. Monica go live to gain her children in Jesus' name. My sister, I beg. He get the kind of dream when person they dream when they talk come out. To even call the person when you dream or to tell her, you go they fear me, they don't come say you be wish. Talk less say you go just come the whole world. Your mouth just they make back. Ah, my sister, now so you be. Now so you be. I beg. That thing when you talk, it dey expensive too much. I beg that where una tie they put. Mona go release them. I beg their children, no one of the both side children they go bury ground in Jesus name. Nobody they go there. Monica no they go bury ground. Talk less her children. Lolo no they go bury ground. Talk less her children. They will never know bury ground. They will not even escort person go there. Talk less say they go there. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you this whether you be presenter or Because after you do the video finish, you say make they go come buy waist trainer. My sister, begin dey sell your waist trainer o. Begin dey sell am. No use Monica children and Lolo children. No use the take sell your ghetto. Whether na ghetto na dey call am, whether na waist trainer na dey call am. I beg you in the name of God. Stay for your lane. Leave them alone. When time reach, God go intervene for their fight. The fight go end. And as e go take end, maybe they go come back as a friend again. If they no say come back as a friend of before, but that one no say make they not call each other hello. Where your children are they? I think they are okay. This one go say yes. So when if it still happen like that, we not be God. Nobody be God. My sister, the time when Monica they born her children, he not call anybody there and he not take mercy for any of una hand. So una no go fit kill Monica children. Lolo children, the time when they born her children, he not take mercy for any of una hand. Talk like say una go fit kill Lolo children. I beg una in the name of God. My own too, una no go still fit kill am. Because una no dey there when I dey born my children. I beg you in the name of God, my dear. Go and do your video again and untie that rubber when you tie together. Untie them fast. Because me, I don't understand una wey be human being. You fit dream the dream true. If it happen, anybody can dream. But for you to come live video, come they do the exercise, that's so you take do and that's so you take see all those things. It's wrong, my dear. It's wrong. Many people know say the fight when they fight not be ordinary, but we know. Because any fight when they fight, it not quick finish like this. Now so we must talk. Now so people must talk. I beg you in the name of God, my sister. I take God beg you. That kind of word is too expensive. Don't do them again. Don't make that joke again with anybody children. Don't make that joke with anybody children again. I beg you in the name of God. Lolo, they quarrel with Monica. You know say na pikin you go take pay. Monica, they quarrel with Lolo. You know say na pikin you go take pay. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you, my sister. I beg you. Comot these children for all this mess. I take God beg you. Now advice, short advice. Now I can't give you. I beg. Next time, if you dream, if you don't want even talk out to the both side of the people, just lead down, commit them into God's hand. Beg God, anywhere that arrow is coming from, God, may God take it away from their children's life, for their life. Pray for them. Wake up day and night, pray for them. You know me say you go come live video, come pray before person go no say you dey pray for them. No, you know say some people like if you dey defend them for anything, go like you to come live video, come dey talk am. Some people don't even like am. He want me you even defend them for back because beneath the take am make parable say afraid for when they defend, when they fight for you for back. Now be your best friend, not be the one where you go see you go take tongue lick all your body. But for your back, he go, they stab you. All those who are not be afraid. My people, I just do this short video this afternoon. Take talk. You know, say me, I know they agree. Anything concern children, you go say that person, see, I no born, I no like him. And me, if you watch my video, I never ever cause person children. Then I never even call person, say that person, he not born. I never take and laugh for one day because who get today not be get tomorrow. Although I dey wear white singlet when I did Nigeria, that one not be anything. I dey wear white singlet when they tear, but that one not be anything. Now wetin white cigarette do for Nigeria, na it dey important. Not be the white cigarette when you wear. Wetin the white cigarette go do for Nigeria, na it dey important. Even though you go Nigeria, you go dey wear a banana. All this when I get for bag for luggage for Nigeria for cupboard. I no fit wear the finish. When I dey sit down outside there, they try they come out, they'll say, hey, my pikin go say, you love this, but take out the laugh there. I no fit tie the finish. I don't know how many Olandis I get for cycle. I no fit tie them. This my white singlet. Now they where they go. But white singlet know where they walk, where they walk. So all those things, me I know they listen to all those things. My people, my message, I go always they drop my message. I go always they drop my message if I want drop am. As I they drop this message too. And at that white singlet, now I still wear want to they drop this message too. Because when we go Nigeria, everybody body not be the same. To even stay inside herself, I dey run come out, I dey bath more than 10 times in a day. Because me, I dey get heat for body well. Because my blood is still dey work fresh. Person wey blood no dey work. Now he go Nigeria, go say he go wear turtleneck. He go wear jeans, they waka, he go come wear sweater. But as for me, I no fit. If I do too small thing, heat, I don't dey sweat, don't they come up my body anyhow. Because my blood still dey work. So my people, my sister, I beg you in the name of God. I beg my people. Una still know say when I did Nigeria, I do one video when I they say, Buhari, open down, make I dey come house, open road, make I dey come, I come dey cry. My medicine don't finish, Buhari, when you come. They say I cry, they come they donate me 550. That 550 when they donate, go give me. Hey, Monica, lobo, one big man wife, iyeki one. God go bless you for me, my dear. That's what you do for me, eh? Now God go reward you. Now God go reward you. My people all over the world. I know say Monica, if to say me allow Monica to bring her come out for her platform, say Monica, I dey find 1,000 I want to come. Oh, I bet bring her come out for your platform. Oh, make they donate for me. Therefore, even donate more than 3 million for me. But small one where they still say come for me, I just talk cry. That cry when I just cry. God go bless you now 100 times. God go bless you now 1 million times. God go bless all una family as una remove am. I never tell una one thing. Una don't say person wey buy me ticket 1,000 euro. He say make I not measure her name. When I receive this month, I come call am, come say, auntie, I beg you, send me your postpay. Make I begin dey pay to 200 euro for the money. You know what that my auntie talk? No be, I no fit say na my auntie, my junior sister. So I don't take her as my own sister. Although we don't call ourselves sisters since when I enter here. Then they call me mommy. He say, mommy, I dash you the money. I not say make you pay. Jesus Christ. I say, you dash me the money. He say, Hey, I jump up and take my national back. 1,000 euro. 1,000 euro. Mona help me bless that woman. Although he say make I not mention his name. Any prayer when I pray for that woman, you go where that 1,000, that pocket when 1,000 for comot. That cry, they take and laugh me say, yeah, but you can they cry. They call the donate and 5 euro. 5 euro for Nigeria. Now 2,500. All the money when I see, as I see, as they bring the money, the thing when they do for us, I can't go do joiner because the money too much. I can't go do joiner. So my people, it's good to be good for this life. Not people to come out for social media. Person go advise una. Samuel azinemo ela o azinemo ela iye boy no sage agbon emo ela se go. 100 people talk for something. Now only my own. Now they call the holla for social media. Call they share. Call they talk. You're in a say mama they beg. People when they tell una say my mama dey beg, they not tell una say every year my mama dey load container go Nigeria with that begging 2 times in a year. They not tell una. They not, the person no still tell you say that woman don dey beg o na the money they take carry container go Nigeria every year or 2 times in a year. They not tell una. More na dey there they look who they beg. That they make money, that they build house for their children anyhow. Every day that they build house for their children. Una go they stay social media. They use una mouth. They talk anyhow. They talk there. When you carry front, do nyashi fara there. They find who you want insult. I no go answer you. I no go answer una. But I just give una example. Say me, I know they shake. I know they shake. Una too small when I go to shake for, because me I know say if I naked reach grand, if the same one naked reach grand, we go know be juju. My age no ebo, we go know be juju for all of us. They'll say, oh yeah, iye boy has to stand now. Stand naked reach grand. The other one can't stand naked reach grand. Make we know be juju. Iye boy no ga. Iye boy no me swag. He may not be many kai. So may I just forget that area. Make I give my message. I just say may I drop down one short video. So me I know the shake. I be a dedena. I dey surprised say some people go just come out for social media when you go advise them. The message when I give now advice. If you like, you take. If you not like, you understand? I go surprised when some people go just come out, they do mad. Man, I look my me. I be February next year. Remain by 4 months. I go be 53 years. Maka. The you whenever you go claim now say you never reach 40 years or 45 years, you go they use yourself compare me. How could you? You don't fit. If you dey use yourself compare me, now say your life you don't die. Because you will calculate how many years I take senior you. You will they use yourself, myself, me, they compare yourself for live video. That person be like say una head. I don't know where una the reason they go. You will come put me for the shoe when you there now, the time when me there your age, as I be. You will come look and say, the time when me there this woman age, as this woman be. You go take her. You come take her, you come measure her, you come balance her. You come check her, you come balance her. Because if you dey 40 years, you never get children. You be gay. You be gay. You still be gay. Even though you dey 50 years, you never born. You be gay. Then, but when God don't bless you with the fruit of the womb, you go be woman. So anybody where he never born, you dey 40, you dey 45, you dey 50, you be gay. You see when I go back and sing, say, Edede, Orakion mama na be a brother, yes. Now the truth of the matter be that. So no, make anybody know they take himself compare me, even though you dey farm or you dey bush or you dey anywhere. Because me, I be traditional woman. That is why when you see me, when I go Nigeria, I will tie rapper for chess. I go dey play Osiwe. I go dey play Oludo. I go dey play Oguru. I do everything. Different thing I do for Benin. When I even go village, me better not go far. Now I said then my papa copa then I do Ugbediebo put. I dey do one for there. I don't even record all those things. Now cloth I see tie for chest, they do one. So because me, I be traditional woman. Me, I no fit wear jeans, go wear 500 euro shoe, go inside farm. I no fit. I no fit. So now all this now stop the tie for chest. Now they will take work because now the cloth when I get when I go take tie body be that when I reach I don't go buy another cloth. The one when I get for side luggage food there may not go the spoil there. My daughter know the tie. That one go say you know the tie. So all of them. So I'm almost 12 for that. The rest you never even open her. So my people, Me, I be there 53 years. February 27, now they complain. I be my birthday. Now they complete 53 years. So 40 years old child, don't feel a lady or girl, because they take itself, they compare me. If you take itself, compare me, now be say, oh, no, they feel Google Bama very only because it too the one I'm testing on 13 years. Too much now. It's too much. And I still thank God. I've give God the glory, the kind body when He give me. If you call me for girl, I go come out, I go answer you. If you call me for a dede, I go still dress a dede dress, I'll still come out. Anyone you call me, I'll come out. So I give God the glory for all those ones. That is some people there now, you go say he be lady, he be girl. If you dress, come out, you go there. If you go turn, if you look out for back, if you look out for back, if you carry face, you not go feel see anything collect for inside. Now me go the cry put. More na see pikin at the picture when I put there. More na see her. If I see common makeup, una the see her. So my people, difference is clear. I don't want to feel my woman master, I will not say my. So my people, now this short message. Now I go give this afternoon. I don't want to talk too much. My people, may we learn how to respect our senior. If you want to talk to your senior. If your senior do video, you not like the video, do your own. Tell them say the video when you do, you not like her. Not be say you go carry the course. Now so you wear singlet. Now so you wear this one. Now so me and una not fit call they use FN wama fe why do ya always exaggeration with television. Aju pe open market poni madelebe open market be Brescia Italy. Ado ya ka we ri oneri ekin. Me ti do avia bi party me ladian. Me na vio ladian we ga be guess me. O gbe abe we da doge we yi. O ko na wa me na even whatever even I no get say. Ni me be kun ade Nigeria ke po me gbe lo de jo me po je vio me gbe na because he pattern me gba. I bet if I dey go party, I dey wash my leg. Una go wash my leg. Now go wash am well. The shoe wey dey my leg, una go price am for market. So all those kind shoe, me I no fit wear am go farm. I no fit wear am go farm. Lie. And I no still go farm when I go Nigeria. I no go farm. I no go. But if ba be ya me fi ade webu. Ba e ya go be wo gwa. Ahwe e ya go be wo gwa. Because I be traditional woman. I beg everybody. If anybody, if I do something vex, you call me. Even though you not call me, you rant your mouth for live video. You don't mean no, that one not mean anything. A viewer you they look for. So you gotta see that they'll come clap on for you. So me when be Leledo talk show, I they only drop my message, I go leave on there. But what can I for being there? I drop on there. If you see how you cry again, I will still give you some days, some weeks. I'll still come again. I'll still choke you. You go still go they cry. That's how they do my own. I'll still harm you. I'll still shook you with having that big needle. I'll still shook you quicker. You'll still come out. Because your mouth will still on the leak. That's how me they do my own. So my dear, me na singlet they wear. I know what my singlet they do for me. So next time when you see me in Nigeria, you will see me on top of my Jeep. Yeah, Kale, yeah, everybody. Or road there. And so it be. Now so life be. So if you get money, no laugh person will never get. Because tomorrow that person will come pass you. Get one of my friends that time. He go say, person will never build us and buy motor now in the fear. Now I say, why you always make this parable? They say because when you go build, your own go come find passing you. So what can they happen now? When you build house 10, 20 years ago, now zinc una use now. My own now this year they use aluminium. Not say different conde. Big different. Money wanna take bring to 10 flats, 20 flat that time. Now they take the build only 2 flats now and then. Now and then. Only fence alone when they fence house now. You go fit build 2 flats. Fence according to the type of fence when you want to fence your house. So that time now they just build. They go learn it use work. The house when you build that time now, we are renovated here now. Not even do allow. Even now, self they know they even they see who they carry old house again. If you person want rent to flat now, if the house now old house, they know they carry again. Now new house they carry now. Even they you say 250,000 a year they go pay. So family be new house. So who not get, not the who get, not the laugh who not get, because tomorrow if it they change, as my life they change now, it don't change. It go just change. The way when my life they change, I don't believe this can suffer. When the time this time now, me know the suffer again. The time when me suffer for this Italy, I go work 11 hours, 12 hours before I see. I don't see what I can do. I don't buy motor. I don't build house. If I take 100 for inside, before I go inside, outside, come back, I'll go the calculate it. Be me at the buy house rent come on, light bill come out. I'll go the make. But not the light bill, all this I see the pay now. When God still they bless me. That means if God not tell you say this time now your time, enough it happen. Or that no matter how you go take strong. One thing must come, they collect that money from you. Pew, pew, pew. They'll tell you say this one happen, you go they run up and down. The money go you make fiam. So my people, who not get, maybe not the laugh who gets. I just do this short video. That message now to that my sister, stop am, will not do that kind of video again, I beg. Lolo and Monica, they not get children when they pay their fights. Even their head, they not go take and pay. Now entertainment, now all of us will be live video presenter. We the entertain people. So the entertainment will not turn out to another thing, I beg. I beg you in the name of God. More na not turn down, so another thing. I beg. So I thank God for my life. When I shout for live video, say Buhari open road. As me they talk and say me Buhari open road. People in the world, they open road of blessing. They pour this blessing upon me. He said, try me now. They said, Bible, try me now with your tithe. If I don't open the window of blessing, I'll shower you blessing. Or where ask, it shall be given. All of you now, come out. This woman, you know, go fit die for Nigeria. Lie, this one go bring, this one go bring, this one go bring. Even before I do that video, people don't already start to bless me. One of my sister, that one say me, I don't see me show her name for Canada. The way when that woman take load that money, when my daughter run come with me, you know how much I enter your account this month? I say no. He say 58,000. I say, now I run final, call her, sister. Now you just do that one. And when this woman come, he say me I bring my account, may put 10,000 naira for me. Now I say God go bless her, just the jump. But at the end of the day, this woman put 58,000. Some people go Nigeria, spend 1 month, they don't see if you dash them 1 naira. But they go, they laugh me, say, they cry. They go Nigeria. Now wait till I go use reach 1 month. Now I carry go mumu people. But when I reach there, so to go up, I can spend good 7 months. 7 months. February 10, now I come out. I can't enter. I don't come back. August 10th. And August 8th. Now I can't enter. August 8th. How many months be that? Not be 7 months. So person not fit cry for that one. Okay, now when they laugh in your boy now. Mona go Nigeria, just go spend 2 months. 3 months. Yes, 3 months. Come out the 4 months wait on top. Whether una go fit, una no go fit now. Una go the laugh person. Una no laugh me because you say if you go Nigeria just now, the whole road go block again. They go say till 2 years before they open, and I be say you go chop shit now. Me, I no fit chop shit because I love people. People too love me. They no even let me suffer. They bless me. People when I don't know, they bless me. Because if I begin call the mention name again, you'll be like, say, I don't know what I did. People do bless me. They do bless me. So now I make una dey cry. So one even writes that himself. He say, yeah, but now all those foolish people gang. They say, yeah, boy, go beg your mama. If you not beg her, no fit enter Europe again. Now they mad. Now my mama do sojourner for me. Mona Hassan, you don't know as I take do paper for this Italy. Me, I know they talk wetin no dey happen. I know they lie. Mona Hassan, when the day when I see paper, I call her, mommy, they don't give me my sojourner. They give me, he say, thank God, oh, how many years? I said, 2 years. You don't know as I take do one. That's if I go road safe, I know they see take couple. One I know they see. Now so God take push one Oyibo man come. I just tell am say na paper be my problem. Say he go do for you. I think say na joke. On the 31st of December 2008, the man you carry me go Kologame to go write contract for me. Makam. When he did the date where they give me, I beg. That is why I say my older days friend, I still keep there as a friend. All of the stand say this paper you must do. Even though you know they see money again, we don't get problem. That one carry me at house. He carry me go Questora, go do hospitality for me. Free without collecting money. You don't tell where God they bless me for this Europe. Nationality. Now so they carry me at they do everything, no one pay put. Now so they take give me my sojourn of 2 years. So even though na chop my una turn to rat or una turn to snake or can't swallow my document, I go tear the snake belly, I go carry my document. Even though they know they see wetin the right to, I'll take her enter house. Because nobody did there when I do am. So my people, anybody when they come out for live video, they open their mouth, na viewer they define. Me as me being as maybe as I dey talk na viewer I define. But we live video presenter, no one go die because na entertainment. We dey take on the entertain people now. Even though this one they fight, this one they fight. The thing when me dey vex for, if you and person dey quarrel, not dey cause the children of the person. Cause the person. Because you don't fit get your children for inside house, they cry around you, go they say me another person, you die. Unless you be a gun, you not born. If you born, you know the pains when we they pass through. Even from the day one when you for taking, like me, if I just taking, now sickness till I born. Now so I go sick. And from 6 months, now they feel they get myself. Food, I know they feel eat. Till 6 months don't complete before my mouth go I feel they eat. All those one are suffer. So why it be say person will carry pikin for 9 months, you go dey insult another person you. You don't want me your own die, you want me another person you die. Bini say no, mo go marry oga no ja o junior ya jo wa. Na so na. Na so Bini protect they make parable. So maybe we abolish that one when they insult our person children. It's not good. The people when go see couple person say aga or ma beer, aga ma beer. Well, do not be God. You not be God, eh? Not be you they bring children. We better stop it on live video. So my sister, that's your dream, na fake dream. You they take and find viewer and to sell your what is that they call her? To sell your waist trainer. Go and sell your waist trainer in peace. Don't bring Monica and Lolo family in to this rubbish where you dey talk that day. And that omome rubber when you tie, go and lose it fast. I beg. So if more be say, I just dey look all this all of us when they enter live video. How many people not take people enter this live video? How many people now? when I know say start live video. Like me, I not take anybody enter live video. I take my BDA enter live video. Many people, if they want enter live video, either they use Monica or Lolo, or they use Africa Jama First Lady, or they use Efei, or they use British Ogbaika, or they use which people? Ivie, or they use Ivie. Because anybody when enter live video, you begin to talk one person matter. A week, 2 weeks. If you just write, message to Ivie, message to Monica, message to Lolo, message to every blessed day when you go enter live video, you not go ever get your topic when you go enter. That person, he want make name with people name. Now the plenty pass. Or me na middle the rain now. They just say message to Mama Boy. Ijeme, we want go know what Mama Boy do. They go there, they go get 800, 1,000 viewer. They want to talk to Iye Boy. As that mumu they talk that day, they swear. The other one they swear for this. They swear for this. What you come out for my body? You see my name. Maybe if they go down before you go see rise up. Iye Boy, you see they do live video. Iye Boy, you see they do live video. Maybe we go look at. Maybe go answer una. Me I not get that for una. Because me I know say una be ewu Hausa. Ewu Hausa. Urobowo go there. Ere. O go there. Oni ohun. Uroboyata. So now so this matter, this message go reach this afternoon. I beg anybody wey wan rain. Una fit use Monica rain, una fit use Lolo rain, but their children, una drop their children. Their children don't know anything concerning una craze when una dey craze for social media. Una take those children away from that rubbish. Thank you all, love you all. We go see the evening today. Maybe I fit come out or tomorrow. Because I get one thing I want to talk about tomorrow concerning Nigeria. The way when they fuck off for airport. We'll talk that one this evening. I'll come out this evening around 8:30. Thank you all. Love you all. We'll see you in the evening. Bye.